one trick pony, no acts to follow. All the talent that I've gained, it's not mine, it's all barred because I'm just a phony. When I step on the stage, it's like a dark age, a crossfade, and I hear ya all scream at me in rage. Oh, look at this, y'all, some halfway trying to step up his game, trying to pull himself up and rise above to greater acclaim. But fuck this fame shit, I'm doing this for no one but me. I'm like a rarity, a diamond in coal, I'm gonna make it see.
One trick pony's only got one song, and one trick pony plays it all night long. One trick pony never tries something new. One trick pony could be me or it could be you. One trick pony's only got one song, and one trick pony plays it all night long. One trick pony never tries something new. One trick pony could be me or it could be you. One trick pony. One trick pony. One trick pony.
And I mean, there should be no reason why I'm fucking this up. I have the lyrics right in front of me, and I'm usually really good at singing.
No, let's just record it. Try and record it one more time.
Yeah, fine. You want this bar raised? I'll show you all the meaning of ferocity when I step on the stage. There's no copying me, no stopping me. A one-trick pony? At least I know just what I'm good at. We're flailing on the ground just like a blank flame. Just stop that, just get back. There's more to us than meets the fucking eye. We're not some ragtag duo to disappoint. We will surprise everyone who tries to front and come at us. We've out had it. Time to make the crowd go wild with this track. That's just our fucking talent.
One trick pony's only got one song, and one trick pony plays it all night long. One trick pony never tries something new. One trick pony could be me or it could be you.